Russian Navy plans to fix up its sole aircraft carrier, the aging, disaster-prone Admiral Kuznetsov, and send her back to sea for trials in 2022. Kuznetsov, which has been docked since 2018, will be 37 years old when, if, she sails again. The Kremlin hopes to squeeze at least another 5 years of frontline service from the vessel, according to Dair-az-Zaur, Russia's state-owned news agency. The Russian Navy has not clarified whether, or how, it might replace Kuznetsov when she finally decommissions as early as the late 2020s. The 1,001-foot Kuznetsov was commissioned in 1990. She was an unhappy ship from the start. The vessel is powered by steam turbines and turbo-pressurized boilers that defense industry daily generously described as defective. Kuznetsov belches thick black smoke while underway. Her wiring is bad. So are her pipes. Water freezes everywhere, including pipes which may cause a rupture, an anonymous blogger explained at English Russia. The situation with latrines is just as bad. The ship has over 50 latrines, for 1,900 crew. But half of them are closed. Kuznetsov is the flagship of the Russian fleet but rarely goes to sea. She conducted just 7 patrols between 1991 and 2016. During a 2016 mission off of Syria, the ship's air wing lost 2 jets to accidents in the span of just 3 weeks. In October 2018, Kuznetsov suffered serious damage at the 82nd Repair Shipyard in Roslyakovo, a port near Murmansk, when the dry dock PD-50 sank while the carrier was aboard for repairs. Then in December 2019, a fire broke out on Kuznetsov during the ongoing repair work. 2 workers died. The blaze damaged the vessel's already rickety electrical system. The Kremlin considered just decommissioning Kuznetsov rather than spending the billions of dollars it might cost to acquire a new dry dock, move an existing dock or the carrier, or find some other way of fully fixing the Flattop. Not everyone considers the continuation of repair to be appropriate, a Navy source told Izvestia. There are different opinions, including those that boil down to the fact that with this money it is better to build a pair of frigates or a nuclear submarine. Even when she's in good repair, Kuznetsov suffers serious limitations. She lacks catapults, so her 2 Su-33 and MiG-29K fighters launch under their own power via bow ram. As a consequence, the fighters can carry only a small load of fuel and weapons. But the carrier has political value. As Russia's only aircraft carrier and its flagship, the Kuznetsov's main mission is projecting national prestige. Richard Moss and Ryan Vest, both instructors at the U.S. Naval War College, wrote in Proceedings, the U.S. Navy's professional journal. From that perspective, Russia must overhaul her and get her back into service as quickly as possible. The Navy came up with a plan to fix Kuznetsov. United Shipbuilding Corporation identified 2 small dry docks it could attach end-to-end to create a single, larger dock that in theory could accommodate the carrier. Work on the carrier continues pierside while the shipbuilder sorts out the dry dock situation. According to Dair-az-Zaur, Kuznetsov will leave Murmansk in 2022 with new boilers and refurbished wiring. But she still won't have catapults. And the 4 years the Flattop will have spent in repairs could weigh on the capabilities of her air wing. Without regular practice, naval pilots' skills fade quickly. It remains to be seen if her air wing and pilots will have the necessary skills and knowledge remaining to operate from her flight deck, tweeted Frederick van Lokeren, a Belgian naval analyst. After years of misfortune, Kuznetsov very well could return to sea in a couple years, but without an effective air wing.